Hello guys, I am e.revanth. Welcome to my channel, We Anonymous. In this video, you are going to learn about importing spaceship into the gaming window, moving of ship, and shooting bullet through spaceship. Before starting our main project, I want to share few words with you guys. Thank you for all your support and I want much more support from you. Share this video with your friends, family members, brothers, sisters and all your loved ones who have interest in technology, programming and ethical hacking. Watch the video till end. At the end, like the video and hit the dirty red button so that it turns into white. Without wasting any time, let us move into our project. Open the pycharm window. Here you go. In the previous video, part 1, I explained how to create a game window and add background color to it. If you didn't watch the video, then click on the I button or you can check simply in the description box. If you have any queries regarding this, comment me in the comment box. Let's continue. Let us once again run the program. Here you go. Now I want to add a spaceship. It should be at the center and the bottommost part of the screen. Now a doubt arises to me. Where will I get the spaceship? Then the answer is very simple. The first step, you have to download the spaceship pic from any of the browser. You can download it from the Google Chrome or you can download it from Opera or DuckDuckGo. Or you can simply download it from the description box. I provided link in there. You can simply download it. Now I will copy the image from the computer where I have saved the pic. Here is the ship. I am copying it. Remember to save the pic in the form of ship.bmp. If you want why I have saved the ship in the form of ship.bmp, I will make another video in which I am going to explain full detail about it. Let's go into the main window. Now we have to create a new directory. Name it as images. Right click and paste over here. You have to name ship.bmp. Click on OK. The first main thing is completed. We have saved the ship.bmp. Now second step is, now we have to create an Python file and name it as ship.py. Here is the new file created. Now start our program. Import pygame. As you know, now I am going to create a class and naming it as ship. In the class ship, I am going to write a series of user-defined functions which are very helpful in creating this ship part. The first step is to initialize it. I am initializing using two parameters, ship itself and screen. I am initializing the screen using self screen is equals to screen. Now I want to load my image, so I have to use the command as pygame image.load. I saved it in the images as ship.bmp. The whole command I will save it as self.image. Here you go. Now the most important part, why I like Python and use pygame is, pygame has an extraordinary feature that is saved in images in form of a rectangle. Yes, it saves the image in the form of a rectangle. It is easier to move a rectangle rather than moving an original object. So the command for saving the image as a rectangle is self.image get rect. Here I am saving the command as self.rect. The same I will do with screen. self.screen rect is equals to screen rect. I want the ship to be at the bottom and the center of the window, so I will use the command has is equals to now I want it to be at the bottom, so I will use the command in this way, self.screen I am using another function split me. Here I use defined split me function which will draw the image to the screen at the position by using self-rect. Self.screen split self image. Here I imported all the necessary settings of the ship. Now I have to connect this ship file to our main file alien invasion. Here I write a command as from ship import ship, and here ship is equals to ship and the parameter screen. I want ship to appear every point of time, so I am giving command in the loop as ship.split me here. Now when I run the game, here I find the ship. We imported our spaceship into the gaming window. Our next step is to make the spaceship move right and left. For that I am going to create a new file and naming it as game function. Here you go, I have created it. I will import all the necessary settings that are required in game function. I am going to import the events and updates of screen and ship. Import sys module. After that I am importing pygame module. I am using a function. That function is to check events. I have some of the events in alien invasion. I will just copy the event from here, or I will cut it and paste it over here. I will create another function that is to update the screen. I will copy from here. I will cut it and paste it over here. Here I have to give 3 parameters that are nothing but AI settings, screen and ship. Now I have created the game function. Now I have to link it with alien invasion file. For that I can remove this import system because I have used it that in game function. Import game function has GF. It is not girlfriend, it is just GF. Here I write gf.update. First I have to give check function events. After that update. I have to give parameters settings, screen and ship. If we run the game, we will exactly find the window that appeared before. Now our main aim is to move the spaceship right side. If we move it right side, we can follow the same step and move it left also. So again, going to the game function, follow the steps here. Well, if I press the key downwards, that means key down, and event type I am giving it to be right key. Then the ship should move 1 pixel right side. So it should move from the center exactly 1 pixel. Here I have to change the parameter to shape. Same I have to do it over here. I will change to shape. Now run the game. If we press the key, there is a little mistake here. Here I have changed it to key. Now let us run the program. We will find that the spaceship is moving 1 pixel every time I press the key. For making the program more simpler, I will go to the ship and write the command as follow: shelf moving right. Initially I am keeping it false. Then I will use another function that is update. If it is moving right, then ship should move 1 pixel. I'll go to settings, now to game function. Here I will change it. If we press the key, then shift dot moving right should equal to true. It should move. What if don't press the key? Then I have another command. Event dot type is equals to pygame dot keyed up. Then the movement should be stopped. So the shape pause. Now let us run the game and see what will happen. Here we have to update it. So shape.update. Now let us run it. Okay, here we see it is moving. Now we will apply the same for left. First we have to go to the ship. Here we write another command for left, moving left. Initially put it to false. Apply the same. moving left. In center X, is it moved left? So minus 1. Let's go into game function. Change here. If the event key is pygame.key left, it should move left side. So moving left. Good. If you don't hold the key, then it should stop. So I will write the terminal here shift moving left. It should stop. Now let us run the game. Here we go. It's moving left and right. Now I want to change the speed of the spaceship. For that I want to change the settings, that is main settings. So I have to go to setting.py. Here I write self.ship speed factor. I have already given it as 1.5. Initially I am giving it 2 times. So there is no required of this. Okay. Now I go to ship.py. Here I have to implement the parameter settings. Now I have to initialize it to self.ai settings equals to settings. Now as I given 1.5, it should be somewhat float point. So here I will give self.center equals to the float value of what I took. Self.center. Okay, it's fine now. Now here we will change the speed factor. Self. Settings dot shift speed factor. Here in the game we see that the ship does not stop at the border. So here I have to implement some of precautions that it should stop at the border. So I will use some command as right. It should be greater than, no, it should be less than screen rect at the right side. Okay, here I have changed a command, so I have to put it center. Okay, self.a setting shape. Right. Okay, let's go to this point and self.rect to the left. It should be always greater than 0. Now let us change over here the center. Self.ai right. Now again I will change to same self has center. Okay, now everything is nice. Let's run the game. This was a small mistake over here. Yeah, here I have to change included one parameter over here. Now run the game. Okay, it will be fine. Yeah, I have changed the speed. Everything is okay now. Now we are successful in moving our spaceship to the right and left. Now our third main aim is to shoot bullet through this spaceship. Before going to that aim, I will change some of the necessary settings in the game function. I will introduce another function so that the code become easier for us. Key down events. Here I will copy it, paste over here, and from here key of event. I will do exactly the same. Cut, paste it over here. The parameter event and ship, event and ship. Check the known event. If we run the program, we will find exactly the same. Here we go. Let's come into our main project of bullet. For that, I am going to create another file, naming it as bullet.py. I need to change some of the necessary settings. For bullet, I will use the speed factor. I am going to give 1 and bullet width I am going to give 3 and the height of the bullet, it should be somewhat larger, so I am giving it as 15. Now main thing, I have to give some color to it. I am giving it as some 60, random 60. It may be in gray color, I think so. Now coming to bullet.py, let's start our program. As usual, import pygame. Now I am going to import pygame.strike. This module is very much important for the group of bullets. I am creating a class bullet. Here in that I am introducing sprite. Now initiate it. The parameters, screen, For sprite, again we have to give super initiation. Here you go, we have given it. In this you can write self comma bullet, or else you can leave that, no problem. No. Okay, as usual I will making the bullet in the form of a rectangle, so that it will be easier as to move. Now I am giving coordinates to it. Bullet width and bullet height. Now I want the bullet to be at the center of the ship. So I need the bullet should be come from the center of the ship, and the bullet should be at the top of the ship also. So I will introduce the top. Now I am changing some of the coordinates, as when the bullet moves, it exactly moves in the y direction. There is no change in x direction, so it is somewhat easier for us. Now I am giving the color. Here is settings, bullet color. Now the speed factor. But the speed factor I given to it as 1. You remember it. Bullet speed factor. With this I completed the class bullet. Now I will introduce another function so that I will connect it with alien invasion file. I will use update. Here you can go. Then as if shared self.y, when the bullet goes, there is a change in y direction. The y coordinates will decrease depending on its speed factor. Now for drawing the bullet, I am going to use draw bullet function. Here you see pygame dot draw, it in the form of a rectangle. So here I introduce all the colors, green where it should be drawn. Here we finished the bullet.py file. Now we have to modify alien invasion. For that I am using the command from pygame.sprite. I will introduce group, as the bullets are to be in a group. I am using the group. Now I want bullets to be in group. Here you go. I have introduced everything. Here a small change. Let's update. Okay. Everything is nice. Okay. game function. I connect it with bullet, so from bullet into bullet. When we press the key down, the space key, the spaceship starts firing the bullets. So here I have to introduce some of the parameters like AI setting and screen ship is already there, so I will introduce bullets. Okay, here I will use another command, that if event.key is given, space key is type, then the ship should move. No, it should fire some of the bullets. For that I will give new bullet. I am introducing a new bullet concept so that I can have a group of bullets. And the bullets I will get it from here, screen and ship. Here you go. I will add it over here. Everything is okay now. Now we have to change in here. Air settings, screen, ship and bullets. I have to change here also. Air setting, screen and at last bullets. Now let's change in update. Update screen. I am introducing a new term, bullets. After the screen filled with busy color, I am introducing a new loop. That's over here. Trouble. Delete this. Everything is okay. Now I have to change here. AI settings, screen, shape and bullets. Exactly same over here. Everything is okay now. Let's run our program. Here is a small mistake. It is showing that self.color AI setting not color. It will be error in settings. Here I have to introduce bullet color. Okay. Now run our game. Over here the bullets are facing some mistakes. They are not changing their direction. We find that the bullets are not moving. So let me check the program again. Here in the bullet.py I have some mistake over here. Yes. I found the mistake. Here we have to again introduce the same self.py direction. This function will let the bullet to move upside. So now let us run the game. Control Shift F10. Yes. Now everything is right and it's okay. Here you can see we have created a spaceship. Using the space key I am shooting, or we can say I am firing the bullets. Thank you for watching this video. Today's target is 100 likes. Please like, share and subscribe this video, and for more updates click on the bell icon.